start hitting people's eyes?
He drives, 30, this report is now in session. I'm going to over to side.
Good morning, folks. Have a seat.
Maybe we'll be. Maybe right about.
Michael Lawson. Morning, Council.
Grab the mouth once for Mr. Laughlin.
Good morning, sir. Go ahead.
Here. To allow taking double. So he could be dismissed. So you know, so like words. Tonight, one meeting, actually, that's why we're going to appeal the driving privilege.
Good. Anything scheduled?
No, we're winning.
Just getting started.
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right. So one change, Council. Instead of amending the speeding to double parking, I'm going to dismiss the speeding. I'll charge him a little extra money on the misdemeanor charge. That's one less file she's got to disposition. All right. To you, it's the same thing. I'm going to get in your pocket a little bit more. Yeah.
Beautiful work.
Thank you. You know why? Because they let us have some input in it. We're not one of those courts that got stuck with a building we didn't have anything to say about. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't disagree. Yeah. Yeah. We're quite proud of it. All right, Mr. Lawson, did you discuss your rights with counsel? Do you understand those rights and the options those rights present to you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of allowing a licensed driver to operate? In understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Did you in fact drive a vehicle on August 28, 25 in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. So he's got license problems. He's got a plan in place. Are you working, Mr. Lawson? Where do you work? How long have you been there?
Electrical. I've been working with them for 8 years.
Okay.
For 6 times.
Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence?
I don't like here.
Okay. All right, fines and costs on the file, $730, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You get to schedule those days. You pick which days you want to work. You got 7:30 today, or do you need options?
You
You can pay it today? All right. You're probably first in line, so you'll get a smile out of the cashier. Have a good day. Good luck with your license. Good to see you, counsel. Aaron Reed. Morning, counsel.
Attorney Jonathan Paul, Mr. Reed, it's you out this morning.
Nice suit.
Hey, Your Honor.
I like it with the black shirt too. Yeah, go ahead, counsel.
Hey, Your Honor, I had a direct conversation with the airport prosecutor. Your Honor, it's my understanding that the charge here will be under delay sentence of 3 months.
3.
Has been told, sorry, to well over 20 days.
Good. Good. All right, Mr. Reed, true, you understand your rights and the options they give you?
Yeah.
And do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge? Yeah. And what date do we have? August 29? Were you at the airport?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find yourself at a checkpoint area?
Yeah.
And at that time, did you have in your possession a firearm that you were not authorized to have there? Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. Anything on his record?
No, Your Honor, he was 11.5 years active duty Marines, works.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you.
No prior issues, Your Honor. Looking forward to getting the delay sentence and earning a certificate.
And you've talked about getting the weapon back?
Yes, Your Honor, I did talk to the prosecutor about the procedure.
Okay. All right. Mr. Reed, no magic answer. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go along with the prosecutor. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. You can stay out of trouble for another 3 months.
Yes.
All right. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $500. Can you do that today, or do you need options? You might get the second smile. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Carrie McAllister. Good morning, counsel.
John, 12 Berkeley, clearing on that, to my right.
Good morning.
Then the Tom Green River prosecutor, I reviewed the rights with his client. She's agreeable to the late sentence. It's quickly 15 minutes.
Doesn't matter which one we take the plea on and which one we dismiss? Okay. All right. So, Ms. McAllister, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand all that?
Yes.
And did you discuss the possible penalty for the charge? Understood? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Counsel, why don't you give me the facts I need out of September 6th incident date?
On the September 6th, it's the day the household was having an event, and there was some loud thumpers. And that noise was created, which resulted in this noise infraction.
Okay. You agree to those facts? All right. Tell me something about your client before I sentence.
First time I trouble, I do had no record in the room, community here, I take responsibility for the design as well about the steering.
All right. Ms. McAllister, are you working?
Yep.
Where do you work?
Signature, that's
How long have you been with the company?
much easier.
Are we putting those on top of the other ones over there?
Because they're retained.
That's fine. I just want to make sure that was the intention. All right. How many years? I'm sorry. Thank you. Is there anything you'd like me to consider before I sentence you? Nothing I need to hear? If you don't want to talk, that's okay. That's why he's here.
No, I'll keep
Okay. Okay. All right, so I've accepted the plea. I dismissed one count. And on the other charge, I'm going to do a 6-month delayed sentence, stay out of trouble during that time period. Court costs are assessed the amount of $350. Can you pay that today? Friday, 3 p.m. That's tomorrow. Okay. You can. There's a third-party vendor that does those processes credit and debit. There's a fee. I can't tell you what it is. It's not a lot, but probably cheaper than getting here now with the gas. All right.
It's 690.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
You're welcome. How about people versus, is it Zamora?
Got it, Your Honor.
Did I say it right?
Yeah, good.
Good morning, counsel.
No, good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Maxwell, Jr., key number 86012 on behalf of Mr. Zamora upstairs.
And the rest of the board.
Thank you. Just an adjournment. Counsel, she'll get you a notice for November 20.
Perfect.
Looks like you got another file coming up on, oh, November 20. That's why. All right,
What is it?
November 20. All right, just have a seat, guys. We'll get you a notice.
Thank you. I have another one.
What's the name on it?
Since,
Steven, same date,
no, I don't even put.
12/9? You want to do it on the same date?
No, I think she did 12/4. Nothing, there was something we discovered. I think that was,
Okay,
she put 12/4.
yeah. All right, Mr. Johnson, where you at? Just stay there, stay there. We'll get you a notice.
Thank you. I'm good.
You're welcome. Same here. Saif Al Jardini,
Keep touch.
I'm gonna pronounce it Al Jardini. Supposed to be a double parking. How about Dakota Cardinal? Mr. Cardinal, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes. Right here today.
All right. Have a seat.
Here.
No, him. You're right. You're right where you need to be. All right. So you made a deal with the prosecutor, yes?
Yes.
All right. Did you read your rights form?
Yes, I did.
Understood those rights and the options they give you?
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Is it Cardina? Am I saying it right?
Cardinal.
Say it again.
Dakota Cardinal.
Cardinal, like the bird. All right. So on 9/20/25, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
And at that time, were you driving?
Yes.
And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now, sir?
Talking with the Secretary of State, I need to go make, well, I have an appointment, I gotta go to a diving again.
Okay, good luck. Are you working?
Yeah,
Where at?
already my blanking. It's in New Boston.
What do they do?
We cut out like sections for, with dyes that, then create line panels.
Okay, automotive. How long you been there?
3 months.
Okay, how's it going? Sounds like it could be a career.
Well, I've been doing it for a long time, but
Oh.
part industry.
Okay, so same job, new business or new company. Gotcha. All right. Anything else you want me to consider? All right. According to our records, you owe us a whole bunch of money on other tickets.
Yes,
Are you on a payment plan?
yeah, I was gonna make some payments today.
All right. All right. Anything else?
I would just.
All right, on this file, $500 fines and costs. I'll let you roll it into the payment plan you currently got going. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You picked 4 days. You can do that downstairs as well. Any questions? You're all set. Mr. Hadley, the only one I've got your name on is Eduardo Quinones.
That's correct. We've got a short, huge, services early.
He-
Court, so we're gonna get moving on this. Yeah.
Okay,
I just have the one.
all right.
Attorney Josh Adler, between on behalf, Mr. Eduardo. And I'm going to pronounce that, but it's the, getting still. And, we have a benefit of the. Spanish today, Your Honor.
Your name, sir?
My name is Bernie Diaz, Lermentidiaz. I'm here to interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English for Mr. Quinones.
All right, Mr. Diaz, raise your hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English and Spanish so that we can all discuss this matter today?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Let Mr. Quinones know what we just talked about. I understand, sir, that you are pleading responsible to double parking today.
Yes,
And you've agreed to pay fines of cost of $200, correct?
yes,
I will accept your plea and dismiss the misdemeanor charge.
yes,
Fines and costs, $200 as agreed. We've also got a speeding ticket from that date that shows $220 due. Can you pay that one as well?
yes,
So 420 total?
no, not today.
How much can you do today? When can you do the 220 on the speeding?
Next week.
Is that enough time? You want 2 weeks? I'll give you 2 weeks. I don't care. I just want a due date. By December 12th?
Yes. In your honor, in a separate but related matter, his wife, did already plead guilty and paid a $300 fine for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive in the safe stop.
All right, so we'll work with you. Any questions?
No.
All right, thank you, sir. Maybe stick with him through the cashier process.
I'll let him know. Thank you, your honor. That's
Thank
all I
you.
have right now.
Thank you.
Your honor, I have, Commissioner Lawson, a quick
Here,
question.
Mr. Lawson.
Sure. Go ahead.
Record not votes for Mr. Lawson. We went downstairs, this day, fine to full.
Good.
He works, 6 days a week. And he thought he could do work detail on Sunday. We told him to do on Sunday. Just maybe about community service with that.
I'll give you the option.
Thank you, Joe.
All right, instead of the work days, I'm gonna give you 30 hours of community service, charity work. Any nonprofit that's registered with the IRS as a nonprofit, 501c3, church, Soup Kitchen, Salvation Army. We've got a whole list downstairs that is pre-approved. You can start with that list or find something completely on your own. If you go off on your own and you find someplace and you want to make sure that we'll accept it before you spend 30 hours, we'll pre-approve if it's appropriate. Got all that? Can you get all that done between now and January 1? Get it done and document it to the court.
Sorry about that.
No problem at all. All right, Mr. El Giardini. How do you pronounce it? All right, I was pretty close. I understand you're pleading responsible to a parking ticket. We're going to dismiss a misdemeanor, correct? Is that a yes?
Yeah.
And you've agreed to pay $400? Can you pay it today? 200 today? When's the balance? Yes, sir. Tomorrow? You sure? You want to just pay it all tomorrow? By 3 p.m.? Doable? Okay, you're all set. Have a good day. Thank you. Taji Ali. Good morning, sir. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right, so we've got 3 tickets, 3 charges, I should say, from September 21. It says here you're going to plead responsible to a 4th charge, double parking. You've agreed to pay $380 and all 3 original ones will be dismissed. Is that correct? That's your agreement? We'll do it on the C. All right, and can you pay the $380 today?
Right.
Next Friday? All right. I'll give you that as a due date. Understand if we don't get the money on time, then these other charges come back up and you got to deal with them. Any questions? Have a lovely day. Rebecca, is it Sowers? Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? And you made a deal. You're going to plead responsible to double parking. And you've agreed to pay fines a cost of $150, correct? Can you do it today? 3 p.m.? All right, you heard what I said about it. If it doesn't get paid, bad things happen. You're all set. You're welcome. Dylan, is it Humbarger? Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're asking for an adjournment to 12:04? Just have a seat right there. Just grab that chair right there. We'll get you a paper notice. We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. You're welcome so much. Shannon Phillips. Miss Phillips, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right. And you want a jury trial on this? You understand the difference between a jury and a bench?
Yeah, the jury is the jury and the,
Yeah. So with a jury trial, I decide the legal questions. The jury decides the factual questions. Were you driving that day or were you not driving that day? With a bench trial, I decide both the legal questions and the factual questions. Understood? All right. The other thing is the jury trial is a longer process because there's a lot more people involved.
yeah.
You understand that?
it's a long process.
Okay. Well, not here though.
Well,
Yeah.
here, when I very got, the citation.
Okay, hold on. This is only your second time here by my notes.
Well, yeah, but it's been going on since April.
Okay, but not here, not with the court. You've only been here twice. Right?
Well, yeah, but this has been.
Okay.
going on since April.
Okay, all right. So you want to have a jury trial or you want to have a bench trial?
I was very sure.
And you're going to represent yourself,
I ain't,
having no idea what the court rules are?
yeah.
Okay, understand, I'm not taking you to law school for the jury trial. Okay? Give the lady a jury trial date. Angela, are you on?
Yes, Judge.
Heather wants to talk jury trial dates.
Okay,
No, the calendar, I need I think it's January.
I can,
January
Heather, come in.
22nd.
You want to come in?
yep, because I'll be right in.
That's fine.
Calendar.
All right, Miss Phillips, we'll give you a couple dates in just a minute. You pick one, we'll give you a paper notice. Saeed, is it Mohsen? Come on up, sir. Are you representing yourself today? No attorney? Okay. Is it all right with you if I dismiss this? Okay, you're all set. Case dismissed. You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Reading some of those, I'm sorry, on the adjournments and the.
Oh, that's all right. We're getting through it. Ronald Fowler III.
Oh, I.
Good morning, sir. Oh, hold on. You've got Mr. Bowditch on your paper.
It's just a viewing violation.
Are you okay doing it without Mr. Bowditch in here? Come on up. All right, with Mr. Bowditch's assistance, you worked out a deal with the prosecutor, yes? And you're going to plead responsible to a parking violation. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $250? Is that what that says? All right, can you pay that today, sir? When? Calendar, if that helps. I can do some kind of payment thing, or we'll just get you a due date, whatever works.
6th of December. I was gonna say the January 6th.
I'm sorry, humbug.
No, no.
All right, you want 100 on what? What was the date?
6th.
And then the balance on February 6th?
Can we do February 6th? That'd be great.
I'll give you that long if that's what you want. I mean, you can always pay it off early. Yeah. All right. Do you need all that on paper or you got it? Okay, you're all set. Get out of here. Have a good day.
As well.
Oh, you probably already heard me say this. If the money doesn't get paid, then the misdemeanors back up and you got to deal with that. Have a good day. We have a Stone Street.
I'm not one. We either. Yeah. Ms. Phillips, we either have January 27th or January 29th.
29th is fine.
No, yeah.
Yes, I do that.
Is that a H-A-F-H?
I thought it was S.
Thank you.
Yeah. S-H. The first is cyan.
Yeah. Hashami? Hashami? How do you say it? Come on up.
I got it.
Morning, Trobus.
Morning,
What's your name, sir?
certainly, that's it.
What's your name?
Sante Rani,
Karani?
Iki,
Raise your right hand. Arabic?
Farsi,
Farsi. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Farsi and English and Farsi so that we can discuss this matter today? All right, let Mr. Hashami know what we just talked about. I understand you're going to plead responsible to double parking today. And you've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400? And you're doing this without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'll accept your plea. Can you pay the $400 today, sir? How much can you pay today?
200.
Balance when? By November 12? Yes? Or December 12th, I'm sorry, by December 12th? You're right.
Still copy the process.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Okay, any questions? All right, stick with me through the cashier if you would. Thank you, gentlemen. Have a good day. Hmm? It's not like we're gonna set bond conditions or anything. Mohammed, is it Sharif? Good morning, counsel.
Thank you. Your Honor, as it was said, this for upon a pre-trial.
For December 16th. 14th.
All right, is this final pretrial with complainant to appear? Or just final pretrial like we're not doing another pretrial?
I'm saying that.
All right. Who's that with December 18th?
Us.
That's us? What time are you gonna do it?
8:30.
8:30 in the morning? To work? All right. Just have a seat. We'll get you paper notice. We working on this kid at the council table? Okay.
It'll be long.
We didn't forget you. We're working on your notice.
That was December 18th, right?
Good morning, Mr. Mays. You got one ready? Scratch the name on this one, would you?
Yep.
Gardner.
Scratch.
I'm ready on Gardner.
Good morning, Your Honor. William Mays on behalf of Mr. Brandon Gardner.
Good morning.
Correct, please.
Brandon Gardner.
Judge, we're asking that this matter be adjourned to December 4th at 11 or thereafter. I've got a motion hearing that same day, same time, here in this court. But prior to that, I'll be in circuit. Mr. Gardner has received discovery videos and whatnot, but the prosecutor has unintentionally omitted some of these videos that are relevant and important, and she agreed to get those to us. So,
Okay. Is that with us too?
What,
12:04. Time.
what is it for, Mr. McDermott?
11.
Yeah, just a pretrial.
Just pre-trial.
You want to do it? Yeah, we can do it 11. He's got something out that scheduled.
It'll be at 9. Well, okay, that's fine. 11 pre-trial?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's take care of our arraignment. Would you waive formal reading?
Pretend we're not guilty.
All right. Any reason your guy is not a good personal bond risk?
No, no reason.
Would you tell me?
I'm sorry?
Would you tell me?
I would actually. He's got a prior in 23, and that's the difficulty with the circumstances.
Yeah. I'm going to put you on a personal bond with a couple conditions. The first two are pretty obvious. Number one, stay out of trouble. Number two, show up for court. All right. Third, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance. That means no alcohol, no marijuana, and nothing unless you got a doctor's script. You got that? You can live with those rules? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up on buy? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you notice in just a minute. Have a good day, Mr. Mays. Anissa Thomas? Ms. Thomas, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we got one file from August 18, which is a drove while license suspended charge. We got 3 files from September 21, 2 civil infractions and a drove while license suspended. My understanding is you're going to plead guilty to no valid operator's license 2 times, and all of those original charges are dismissed. Is that your deal? Okay. Did you read your rights form? You understand all those? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person? And understanding that charge, or the possible penalty, understanding your rights and options, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily 2 times today? All right. On those dates, August 18 and September 21, on each of those dates, were you driving in Van Buren Township? And on each of those dates, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charges. I'll dismiss all 4 of the original charges in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor's office. Ms. Thomas, are you working? Where do you work? How long have you been employed there? And what's the status of your record or your driving record now? Still suspended? What do you have to do to get right? When's the year up? So quite a while. Okay, all right. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today? All right, I'm gonna have to lecture you. You can't afford to be a bad driver. Okay, and I'm sympathetic because I understand, number one, it's real expensive to get an Uber every day to go to work. And number two, we don't have real good buses in the area. But you can't keep driving like this because you'll never get your license back. And you'll keep driving because you gotta live, right? So let's, oh, you owe us so much money. Give me an idea, this job, what kind of shift you work? And how many days, how many hours a week you're working? So it's only part-time? All right, you're local too. You're living in Belleville. All right. Anybody else you're responsible for? You got any kids? How old's your daughter? 4. All right. So she's not in school yet? She is? Okay. All right. So do you have time for another job?
Yeah.
When you go downstairs, I want you to ask Mr. Taylor, Avery Taylor, ask him if he knows of any jobs available, because he does. Because one of his job duties here is to keep track of area employers that are hiring. All right. So number one, see what he's got. He might have something that's worth looking at. Number two, he's also the guy you want to talk to about how you can get out from under this $4,000 debt with us, because it's going to take you forever to do it with greenbacks, right? Money, right? So we've got some options where you can do some work and some money and pay it off that way. All right. So there's payment options. All right, I'm gonna give you a Christmas present early. All right. I'm not gonna charge you any money or give you any work days on either one of these files because you're so deep into us right now. What I'm going to do is threaten the hell out of you, because I'm going to put you on probation for 12 months on each of these files. And the probation term is you stay out of trouble. That means if you get caught doing stupid driving while you're not licensed, I'm going to put you in jail. Okay? Is that a pretty good incentive for you to stop driving? I'm not going to wait for the money. You're already $4,100 into us. You can pay all this too. I'm putting you on probation. I'm putting you on probation. I'm still putting you on probation because you got to stop driving. You'll never get out from under this. At least if you're going to drive illegally, drive better. They didn't stop you that day because you were suspended. What'd they stop you for? Understand, you're going to jail. You have to be better. Who's going to take care of that baby if you're in jail? Yeah, how happy is that going to make mom? All right, 12 months. Stay out of trouble. No fines or costs. No illegal activity. That means a speeding ticket while your license is suspended is illegal activity. Go see Mr. Taylor and see if he can help you get out from under all this. Good luck. Roger, is it Redkowski? Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, everybody, speaking on behalf of and with Mr. Raskowski, sir, please. Thank you. Your Honor, today is the date time set for Raymond in this matter where formal reading of the stand. We've also had the chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have an excellent plea with subject to court approval. In with the agreement, Mr. Raskowski will be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud with the understanding the matter will be under a sentence for a period of 6 months if he complies with all the court's wishes. At that time, consider dismissal of these charges. This is Mr. Raskowski's first offense of this nature, and it will not happen again.
Okay. Sir, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Understood all that? And you understand the possible penalty for today's charge, do you? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right. On the date of October 6th, were you in Van Buren Township? Was this Myers?
It's Walmart.
Walmart? And did you try to take some merchandise from Walmart without paying for it on that day?
Paid for merchandise. Yes. Oh, yes.
All right. What was the merchandise?
Toys.
Any criminal history?
None.
Okay, the gray in the beard tells me I have to ask this question. What was going on? Because this is not normal behavior for you.
Details of it is I did self-scan. None of their items are priced on the items anymore. There's even on the thing, there's like same figures, different prices, whatever. So when I scanned it, it scanned it. When you scan several of the same ones, it's the same size, same price, same, all style figures, they're all the same size. And apparently I scanned it incorrectly. I did offer to refund, repay. But at that point, the gentleman law would actually we don't want to proceed with that. The office. I had many other called the police and they're out.
There's more to this story.
I mean, that's. The Walmart employee, when I was scanning stuff, she actually could use that via scan, so she actually came over and looked at the items. So, I mean, I had a clear container, I was walking the whole time. I've never had anything that's happened before, so it was just a, yeah. A shock / surprise for me here, but. I mean, that's logistic, right there.
All right, so you're going to tell me that you had no intention of cheating Walmart out of any money. This was all just an inadvertence. That's a yes or no question, sir. Let's go to trial then, because I'm not accepting your plea. Would you like a bench trial or a jury trial? You understand the difference?
Not really, no.
Okay, so with a bench trial, I make all the decisions, whether or not it's a factual decision or a legal decision. So if it was a Star Wars figure or if it wasn't a Star Wars figure, that's a factual decision. I'll make that decision. With a jury trial, they'd make that decision and I'd still make the legal decisions. That's the difference between the jury trial and the bench trial. Do you understand the difference? All right. What do you want to do? Bench or jury? Correct.
Unless you could admit what you did.
Well, I mean,
That's all.
and
You and I talked about this.
yeah,
It's a simple issue. You're standing there and telling me that you did not intentionally try to get out of the store with $50 worth of merchandise and pay $40 or whatever the math was. If that's the case, then I cannot accept a guilty plea.
I mean, I scanned the items that paid for.
Yeah, you were intentionally trying to get away with something. That's what I got to hear. This is a crime. Okay?
Yes.
So you can't stand there and dance around the issue that you committed a crime and then ask me to accept a guilty plea. I can't do that. I'm not doing my job properly.
Yeah, and actually explain that.
I'm sure he did, because I've worked with this guy for a long time.
So. I mean,
So let's get back to my original thing. This is not common behavior for you. So why were you trying to defraud Walmart out of action figures? What was going on in your life that made you act so grossly out of character? You got some special stressors going on in your life?
I do, but on that day, actually, was got diagnosed with breast cancer. So we've been, so the chemo, my dad just had the gallbladder taken off to take care of my parents.
Right. So dude, listen to me. Listen to me. You came in here trying to plead guilty to a 93-day misdemeanor. Had I not been so compassionate today, I probably would have taken your plea, understanding that you were trying to scam me, and just jailed you. Perfectly legitimate action on my part. But I knew there was something going on because guys your age don't steal action figures, and that's the first crime they've ever committed unless something drastic is going on. So just come clean. Maybe we could actually help you.
I mean, in the big, sorry, going off.
Yeah.
Start off. In the big scheme of things, yeah, I mean,
You're dealing with some stuff.
paid for something that was less than it was supposed to be.
I understand. Yeah.
That gets some guilt.
Yeah.
That just makes sense.
So is the court. So this is pretty fresh diagnosis. Has mom even started a treatment plan yet?
Started, excuse me, this week.
All right.
I don't mean.
Well, here, this will help.
Bring all of it.
Here, take it. Got a cough drop for you. Are you working?
I'm unemployed.
When did you last work?
August 7th.
Where?
Yeah. Got laid off. I was a assistant software engineer.
Okay.
Got laid off.
Got anything in the works?
Not yet, just. My full-time job right now is I didn't get a job.
Okay.
It's, at my age, it's a little tough.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I'm on the pavement, I'm doing some side stuff.
Okay. Talk to Mr. Taylor downstairs. He keeps a list of area companies that are hiring. I don't know if there's anything on there that fits your skill set, but ask him, right? Can't hurt. You're a local guy, right? Yeah, you Van Buren talk to him.
He's unemployed. He was, more worried about fines and costs.
Yeah.
than the charge, which
Yeah.
explains Mr. Fraction.
Right.
But I think, if the costs become, prohibitive.
They're not gonna, the costs are not going to be prohibitive. I'm not going to fine you. I'm going to order that you do charity work because right now, I think one of your main problems is you're spending too much time in your own head worrying about your own problems. I have found in my 40 years in this business that one of the best ways to fix that is to get you outside of your own head by doing something for somebody else. So I'm going to order, first of all, I'll delay sentence for 6 months. I'll go along with that. Stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. And I'm going to order that you do 40 hours community service. That means charity work. Mr. Taylor's also got a list down there of pre-approved charities. You can work on your own list or start with our list. I don't care. As long as it's a nonprofit. As long as it's a nonprofit, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, just any nonprofit charity. So I want 40 hours of community service completed and documented to the court between now and January 1. Do that, stay out of trouble. This goes away. It does not go on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. I'm also ordering that you show up at Van Buren Township to get your fingerprints taken. Can you do that by 3 p.m. today? Yes? Any questions?
No, this is time for. Yeah, I know.
Good luck with mom and dad. You're welcome. Jordan Burrell. Mr. Beck, you're up next. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You have a court-appointed attorney? So you're going forward without one? All right, do you want to go forward with that one, or do you want to talk to a court-appointed attorney? Okay, so what I've got here is it says you're gonna plead guilty to retail fraud from August 26, 25, and you've agreed to pay restitution of $70.42 plus whatever I sentence, correct? All right, did you read your rights form? Did you understand your rights and the options presented to you by those rights? Do you understand the possible penalty for retail fraud? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, on August 26, 25, did you try to take some merchandise from a store in Van Buren Township without paying for the merchandise? Where was that at? What store? All right, what was your merchandise? What is it with action figures?
One of those. Just.
All right, I will accept your plea. Are you working? Where do you work? How long? How long have you been there? Do you have anything on your criminal history? Never been arrested for misdemeanor or felony? Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? No? I agree. Well, the good news is the prosecutor's giving you an option to keep this off your record. And I'm going to go along with the delayed sentence. That means stay out of trouble for 6 months, no new charges. All right, I'm going to give you a break. Court cost is $350. Can you pay it today?
Yeah.
All right, go down, get your smile from the cashier, pay the $350, stay out of trouble, and we'll keep this off your record. Can you go to Van Buren Township today? Get your fingerprints taken? Can you do that by 3 p.m. today? You're all set then.
This young lady had a quick question for you.
Yeah.
I want to say, I'm in the scholarship program, but I get parents and move out of the state in January. So I want to, if you were able to give me the, I appreciate that you offer that you being the.
Where are you moving?
I was wondering if I could build a probation.
What are you going to do with all that money you owe us when you move?
I will raise my parents have like $50
Where are you going? What are you going to North Carolina for?
better.
I mean, you got family down there, friends? What? Okay. Oh, you're taking your mom with you?
She's taking me with her.
Okay, awesome. Do you have a place to live yet? Bring me some documentation that you've established residency in North Carolina and I'll close your files.
I would pay the fine that you.
Sweetie, I'm offering to waive all kinds of money. Don't fight me.
For the charge of
There is no money today. I put you on probation. And I'm telling you, I will close that out if you show me that you've got a residency in North Carolina. So if you got to get down there and get something established and send it to me and I close it out in February, as soon as you show me that you're living there, I'll close your files out and you're done with me. On those, you still owe us the money on the other files. All right? Good luck in North Carolina. Mr. Beck, come on up. You need a bench trial date.
Morning, Your Honor.
Your appearance for CD El Majo? How do you say it? I wasn't too far off. Good morning. Your appearance.
For the record, Peter Beck, on behalf of the defendant.
Common spelling. Do you understand the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to a jury trial? You want a bench trial? We'll give you a date for that.
Bench, I have either December 4th or December 18th.
Your Honor, we agreed on a date of, January the 12th, 2026.
That's not us, so we can't agree.
We can't do that because that's not my date. I can't set trials for my benchmates.
Well, whatever.
Judge.
what you give us.
If I
Go
may,
ahead,
I'm
Angela.
sorry. Your Honor, I suggested that date because it's my understanding that that is going to be a date that we have with you. It's going to be an
Specialty
emergency
date.
docket.
So it is ours. It'll be.
Oh, it is? That can be? All right.
Thank you, Angela.
What was the date again?
12 at 11 a.m.
All right, just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice for that date.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well. Jacob Smith. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance.
Lori Goldberg, PA 7047, I'm Council of Record Marco Goldberg, the David Smith, with Mr. Smith's consent, is that correct? Yes, sir.
All right. You guys gonna object to a dismissal of these two files?
No, I did want to make a motion for destruction of biometric data and the rest of it.
File that unless the prosecutor wants to stipulate to it today. Have you talked to her about it?
We did discuss it, Judge.
You're okay with that?
Yes,
Without a hearing? Got an order?
correct.
I do, Your Honor.
Hand it up. Heather, you got to process this, don't you? Or somebody has to. All right, both files dismissed, order signed. Anything else?
Thank you, son.
You're welcome. She'll tell you what's happening with the paperwork. I don't know.
I'm sorry, I thought you saw how it.
Pardon?
The individual same prosecutor of the files on it today, but she.
We just got to get the file on hand.
Okay, so I make.
I misplaced or something.
Like this. That's key.
Yasir, is it gorgeous? How do you say it?
Yes, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous? Good morning, sir.
Beautiful.
Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? I understand you are going to plead guilty, or excuse me, plead responsible to double parking?
Yes.
And you've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400. Is that correct? Can you pay the $400 today? Next Friday? Understand that if we don't get the money next Friday, the misdemeanor is back up. Any questions?
Thank you.
You're all set.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I don't know that he's signing this.
There was a signature line on time.
There's some four signature lines, and this says, I request that my biometric
Oh.
get taken off. This is just a notice of hearing. And then this is just some, this isn't holding on that in order.
Okay.
Let me go grab.
Maybe call downstairs and have him grab him.
I think he's there.
Okay. Is this Josh?
Yes.
Your appearance, Mr. Hadley, on Jefferson.
Sean Jefferson, today's show with us here, Your Honor. He would ask the court to recall and warrants, Jefferson. And I had miscommunication, because I don't think she's been getting her notice to appears, but she has updated for the current.
As of today, we got a good address?
Your Honor, I have obtained discovery of this member. I actually have it with me, but I don't have a DVD player. So we're gonna be asking just to have this set for a final, free trial.
Not a final pretrial with a complainant to be here, just,
No, sir. Just, we put final, so you don't be working monkeying around.
I got it.
Just delay, it was sweet.
All right.
I didn't bring a DVD player. I forgot I couldn't play the video.
Yep. Heather, we need a time for a pretrial on December 4th.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock on December 4th?
That sounds great, John.
All right.
9 o'clock, December 4th.
All right. And Miss Jefferson,
And BJ,
happy birthday to her.
funny, I'm here today, my mom, her birthday was just now, like, Mom, I gotta go to it.
Looks like you owe us some money on some other stuff, $438. Are you on a payment plan?
No,
Can you commit to some regular payments, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly? Set up a payment plan before you leave the building today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was-
Kate,
Yeah, they got one of those files. You know, shape, I'm sure Josh had it. They so, that.
Let's take it in.
That lady needs a notice. Thank you.
We were waiting for reading the arraignment. It does look like there was a show cause on one file or warrant issued on one file, so we're asking to recall any outstanding warrants.
All right, so we're gonna take a plea of guilty on a July 9 incident date, and we're gonna dismiss a March 27 incident date, right?
That's correct. The restitution amount is a part of the global restitution that covers a great encompasses both cases. It's the same, they're both the same victims, so there wouldn't be any other notations to make.
All right, and we're gonna do a fingerprint order. All right, Mr. Tate, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? And did you understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to retail fraud on July 9, 2025? On that date, did you try to take some merchandise from a store in Van Buren Township without paying for the merchandise? What store? What merchandise? Satisfied, Mr. Hadley?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the other charge. And are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work? How long you been there? Anything else I should consider before I sentence?
My client's been nothing but, if you compute everything, and that's, he was at these offenses would be committed different from where he's at right now, so, he's expressed remorse and just asked the mercy of this court. It's anything I've seen, I haven't seen.
Also, there had a question for you. Thank you.
So we appreciate it again. Like I said, he's been nothing but forthcoming with this. He was said, not making excuses. It was just a tough spot, and he's staying much better.
Any priors?
Yes, sir. When this happened, that he was actually just gotten out of jail, as you said.
Okay. How long were you in?
Well, here.
All right. How many people were you feeding? How many? How old is the youngest? How old is the oldest? Okay. And full-time job at LKQ? What shift? 9 to 6? What days? All right, anything else, gentlemen, before I sentence?
You know, so we'll rest on that. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to rest the word.
All right, fines and costs $800, including the restitution to the store. I'm assuming you need to talk about options on getting that paid. Do that downstairs. Good luck. Mr. Beck, question?
Prior, you may need an interpreter.
Okay.
His wife interpreted the question concerning.
Yep.
Interview.
Yep.
So I just like to bring that.
Yep.
up.
What language?
Arabic.
Can you make a note for that?
Yes.
All right, we'll have one.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. You're welcome. Alicia Osborne. Miss Osborne, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You have agreed to plead responsible to double parking, correct? You've agreed to pay $250 fines and costs, correct? I will accept your plea to that charge. I will dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you on October 3. Can you pay the $250 today? Go downstairs and get a smile from our cashier. We'll get you out of the building as soon as we can. You're welcome.
That is Morrisfield, that, Birch.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, this is a young lady. Has 5 charges today. There's a total of 9. So.
Jeff?
Wondering if someone could pull those other files and we could get everything.
I knew if it was at your house, I would have heard about it.
Because it might still be walking around.
Hey, raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that the information contained in the affidavit is true to the best of your information knowledge and belief?
Yeah.
I'm on the bench, so I'll take care of it between files. Send me the email. Yep. Be safe.
I'm not sure. She doesn't have a total on the restitution either. But we want to try to do everything today.
Hey, can you look at this person?
Hi.
B is Victor Oakley. Marshall.
Sounds like a state source, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to her page that shows her court dates. All the ones for the 24th. Can you have somebody bring them up? They want to handle them all today. Yeah, thank you.
So Susie's trying to get reimbursement from the hotel that we had to stay, when we got bumped. They want all this information from me because I was the co-passenger. I'm like, come on, really?
Oh, really?
You can see from our records that we were booked together,
Right.
right? All the way from day one, first part all the way through. We were all really. And it's not just a letter from me that says, yeah, please let her deal with this. I've got to give them all my flight information. And it's like, you're just making it difficult. So people say, screw it.
Yep.
That's why I told her, I'll never fly home without travel agent. I do not know how fish. Wow.
No, just see some of them.
Angela, question.
Yes, Judge.
The lady that's gonna plead guilty to all these files,
Yes, Judge.
why? What you're thinking?
No idea.
Well, I'm not gonna sentence her 9 times worse than I would if it was 3 files.
Right. I didn't even know there was 9. I only had 5. I'm trying to find out what the restitution is on the other ones. But Jeff came in and said she would plead to all 9.
Yeah, so
you
let's
want-
just do 1 file. That way we're only processing 1 file. I can get restitution on 1 file for all of them.
Okay, that's fine.
It's all the same story, isn't it?
I believe so, but I'm still checking. I'm in the middle of checking the other
Okay.
reports right now,
Okay,
trying to
yeah.
figure it out.
So if it's Walmart and Myers, we'll do 1 file on each.
Okay, let me find
Okay.
out.
Thanks. Just less work for Heather.
No, I understand.
Thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Heather.
Morning, Mr. Graziani. Did Mr. Norman, call you?
He did not show up except to blow up my phone.
Right, he needs to talk to you, that's why. Did you talk to him or
I
no?
did talk with Captain Eldridge. He's not going to be able to make it. He claims he was in the hospital for 2 days. I asked him why he did not make information arrive this morning. He does in fact have epilepsy, and I just need to go about it.
And she told him, give us some documentation you were in the hospital and we can reschedule.
Here's the situation, Josh. What he did is he,
Right, that's why we're not handling it on Zoom.
Right.
That's the reason.
He's got it. The problem is
Pay for an Uber for him to get here, if the MIDC can help him out.
the problem is Mr. Norman wants to determine how we do things and that's not the way it works.
right.
So we told him to give us some documentation. He sent it to you, didn't
He did not send me any, he just, this morning, Judge, that's all he did.
Yeah.
I do want to show you though, if you could pass it to Josh. And I said it wasn't big enough to show that even, it could be like a doctor's note. And I'm not gonna play the BS game, but he did it.
Yeah, but there's no date on it or
I
anything.
know, I know, Judge.
And he was a problem child the last time, which is why I said I'm not messing with you on Zoom. So he doesn't get to decide how I run my doc.
You have that blue
I know.
form under the
I know.
word judge.
Yeah.
So I can put figure out information.
Yeah, thank you. I'll be back.
You know what, my secretary, part-time gal, she helped me.
You're not with MIDC?
I am with,
Yeah, MIDC do it. They deal with indigent funding.
okay, I'll just call Carolyn right now.
Yeah, call them and see if they can get him,
Thank you.
if they can pay for him an Uber because.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna be a warrant.
Oh, no, I get you.
Oh, thank you.
But if I bring him by next week, I'm sure, it's just.
Well, we can't just bring him by on a day we don't have a prosecutor.
Oh, no, I mean, I presume next week at this time that you wouldn't possibly.
No, we wouldn't.
Oh, really?
The prosecutor only comes twice a month.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, but that's why we schedule it around what
Okay,
we
I'm
have.
getting that.
So that's what, we need to know what's gonna happen because if we
Okay.
don't get the documentation, we're not redoing
Right,
it.
right.
So see if he can send you something better.
Sorry about this, it's so frustrating for me too. Hello, Javante. I'm gonna contact MIDC down the road, maybe can give you a ride. This thing doesn't show whether or not we're discharged. Is there anything that shows a date and the name of the hospital? If I can, what now? I can hear your mouth. How far away are you from here? Broad Street? You know what, man? Here's what I'm gonna do. Look, man, just settle down. I'm pissed off with you, okay? You should have let me know a week ago your situation. I could come. Let me call MIDC. Let me call MIDC right now, okay? Let me do this. Let me call MIDC right now. Okay? Text me your address, okay? Please text me your address. You know what? I'm not even sure if I can even make an arrangement. Here's how it comes with the circumstances. It was my understanding that you were in a position to make arrangement, go live. So what I'm gonna do, I need you to text me your address. I'm gonna try to get it set up for that, please. It's John, my shame, but it's not. But I can show you. Okay?
Ooh.
I don't need it. I don't need it. Let me just try to get something done. Okay? You knew what the blank was going on, sir. You what was going on. Oh my, you know what, man, I'm just gonna call you later, I'm gonna call you when should it's on. You know, this guy, you guys are supposed to get a ride, this.
Oh, we,
Went to the hospital, he sent me a thing, it's embarrassing from the judge, I don't even want to talk about this.
counsel, unfortunately, we've heard every excuse in the book.
Hey, listen, I'll go on the record, I'm gonna call him my DC first, okay? I'll call you, don't call me, okay? Bye-bye, ciao.
And they don't understand how they can be everybody.
I'm sorry, he's from Brooklyn, but that this guy is schizophrenic, not seizures, epilepsy seizures, etc. You know, he busted property out at the Burger King, this was, I think, Bell or something, let me see, what is, no, it's Van Buren County. I'm frustrated because like I said, it's embarrassing, it's not, this. Listen to the conversation. Hello. You know, but it's not the court's responsibility. When you spoke to me, you said one way or another, you would make, I'm sorry about the cheating through. However, this is a situation. I will, as a courtesy, call out the CSA with the range something. Okay? Let me call, that was an argument, that's gonna get this. Oh. There you go. Hey, Jack. All the time.
Okay. We have one.
What's the name?
How you got the last coaching, right?
With a C or a K?
Hey. Scratch him off.
Come on up, guys. Ali Hussein? Go ahead, counsel.
Same value, P 85891. Sir, please state your name for the record.
All right, I understand we're gonna do a double parking. And sir, have you agreed to pay fines and costs of $400? I will accept your plea to the added charge. I will dismiss the original charge and assess fines and costs as agreed. Can you pay the $400 today? Go on downstairs, get your smile from the cashier and get yourself out of here. You're welcome. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Have a good day. Thank you. Take a seat.
Oh,
Carl Streeter is an adjournment because I'm European, I'm talking about.
thank you.
Van Buren's still working that Parkwood case. Good morning, Jim. How are you?
You're a good man. Not moving. Try to anyway. You're real bold. I'll pull the file for you.
Scratch it. Are you Miss Bolden? Just wait there. We're gonna get you notice.
Is it German? Yeah, she wants to German. All right, and that's.
Good luck with your ticket.
I'm retrial, these have been going on for 2 years.
Okay. I'll bring you up soon. Solomon? Swear you, they, sorry, equal 30 up, same building, same level. Sorry. What did I say? Oh, very good, out of the day, sorry. So, it's, fine. Oh, yeah, she's working on it. But I just has, yeah, the.
And because this is.
So let's just set it for trial. Angela and I were just talking.
Better yet.
Solved before, we can just contact you guys with the plea.
Okay, so trial.
No, no. It would need to be, are you gonna come to the jury trial?
No, so you want to take this to jury trial, but.
Oh,
you
yeah,
got
yeah.
a plea.
That's what. That's what I got back and forth.
So are you bringing a player before the, well, then we want to set for fun for trial on it for that day and then because don't resolve. That's fine.
I think we're thinking the same, because that. Separate, unrelated, thing I talked to you a couple times about, do you need that mailed or can I personally serve you?
Oh, you can just hand it to me.
Okay, I thought so, but I
Yep, no problem.
don't let me get out of here today without handing that off.
That's them.
And do you have a 308?
Do not.
Got a box, my father-in-law's got a box of 20 rounds, really expensive ammo. We just don't have any rifles of that caliber. He's like, ask the judge, he's in the hunting.
You know guys that got it, but I don't know anybody that's actually using it.
So that's.
You can do an inventory the other day, I was like,
So you're-
My nephew's got a 308, but he hunts with his 450.
I don't think either of us can justify 20 rounds. Is pretty rough.
Here you go.
All right. Thank you, sir.
I appreciate the offer though.
One of the weird ones. Thank
Have a good day.
Basically saying we do with it, this will be a final, so we'll set up a trial, figure out if you're able to.
Angela,
Yes.
do I need to call the attorney on Myers?
Did you call him?
No, I didn't.
I
And
cut
that's not-
I cut the victim loose because it got to be 10 o'clock, and so I cut him loose because he'd been here since 8 o'clock. So we can I mean, if Mr. Perlman's going to show up this morning, we can just put it on another date because he's 2 hours late. And I just didn't want the victim sitting here all morning.
Or it can just go to warrant.
That's also fine with me.
All right.
Okay, thanks, Heather.
We had an institution hearing this morning.
And the guy didn't show?
The attorney or the defendant should have.
Really? Who's the attorney?
Perlman?
Obviously a miscommunication there.
Notice went out beginning of October.
Morning,
Good morning.
it's just waiting for the vote.
Paperwork. What's your name? I'll pull your file.
First name, D-O-H-A-I.
Thank you. Did you ever figure out where lunch is from today?
No. Sandy thinks it might be. No.
Thank you. Yeah. So we like. Mr. Spencer, come on up. Mr. Spencer, are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? Prosecutor just handed me a piece of paper. Let's see what he's got. All right, says here that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of checkpoint violation from our October 2nd, 2025. Prosecutor is recommending a delayed sentence. Do you understand your rights and options, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
On that date, were you at Metro Airport?
I was rushing to the airport and I.
Yes. Were you at Metro Airport? Yeah. And did you find yourself at a checkpoint? And at the checkpoint, did you have something in your possession that you were not authorized to have there? What was that? All right, I will accept your plea. Did you talk to the prosecutor about steps to get your pistol returned to you? Okay. All right. As I said, I'll accept your plea. Nothing on your criminal history, no prior arrests? Just out of curiosity, did you get anything from TSA about money you had to pay them? Yeah, big money. What'd they charge you?
It was, we know, 5,000 something, they had to make.
Yeah.
Pay like right on the.
Yeah, yeah, and I haven't figured out why the number's always different. I just had a guy in here, I think that was Monday, that his was 4,000 something. Yeah, oh, I know.
The schedule was so different.
Yeah, yeah, and you know, this happens a lot. Yeah, yeah, so it's a pretty good moneymaker for TSA. Yeah, all right, so are you working, sir?
Currently, I live in Houston.
Oh, you do? Did you come in here just for this?
I was trying to call it, but trying to have a little, or see if I can get it.
Yeah, we do these Zoom all the time. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, because we have a Milford address.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
Did you check in downstairs?
Yes.
And you still gave them Milford address?
That's what screwed you up. Yeah, that's all right. You got it. You're here. All right. So what did you tell me? Are you employed or not?
Yes, I am.
Who are you employed with?
I'm actually an engineer.
Okay.
It's based in Houston. So.
Okay. Self-employed or you work for somebody?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. How long you been doing that?
4 years.
All right. Making money, paying your bills? Good. All right. All right. So what did it cost you to fly in here today?
My Uber, my round trip, I leave today. Probably like probably 5 days.
Go away. Keep your nose clean. No more problems for 3 months. I'm not charging any money. Deal with the prosecutor after that. Travel safely. You're welcome. Byron Taylor Jr. Are you going forward without a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
How you going, man?
Very well, thank you. All right, the paperwork tells me you're going to plead guilty to retail fraud and you've agreed to pay restitution of $76 and change. Is that correct?
Yeah, that.
All right, did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge? On the date of September 7, 2025, were you at a store in Van Buren Township? And did you try to take some merchandise from that store without paying for it?
Yeah.
What was the store? And what was the merchandise?
It was like a couple items.
What were they?
I think it was like powder ready or something like.
Okay, wasn't action figures.
No.
Thank you. Today seemed to be action figure retail fraud day. Are you working? I'll accept your plea. Are you working?
I'm actually have a orientation for that.
Where at?
In our Zingerman's in Ann Arbor.
Oh, good, yeah. Great soups.
You know, my mom works, she's been working there for years.
Yeah. When's the last time you worked?
Last time I worked was roughly 4 or 5 months ago.
How come?
Got into something which caused me to lose my job, things like that.
How old are you? Where'd you go to high school?
Went to high school in Huron, but I graduated at WSC Academy of Alternatives.
What kind of grades were you getting at Huron?
I was getting good grades at the beginning, but I fell off. Like
What'd you get into?
I was messing around, started smoking weed, things like that.
What kind of grades? What was your GPA going to be if you would have stayed on track at Huron?
It would have been good, like around like in the twos.
3.5? Mom? So what have you done since high school?
I went to college at WCC.
Yeah,
I didn't finish though.
yeah.
So I worked.
What's the plan? You're 25. What's the plan? You can't be young and dumb anymore because you're 25. So what's the plan?
The plan is to get my life back on track.
How?
Tired of this, man.
That's the goal. What's the plan?
Going back to college, stop hanging, but just like I caught this case.
College for what? To do what?
Videography.
All right.
I do videography. I edit music videos and things like that. Content,
Okay.
TikTok and things like that.
All right. I'm going to give you some life advice that you didn't come in here for. Go talk to the military recruiters. Have you ever thought about the military?
No.
Let me tell you why. All right. And I'm not going to court order you to go see a recruiter. I'm just going to give you some really, really heartfelt advice. You're 25 years old. You have, in essence, wasted 5 or 6 years of your life. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. That's a big gap. Would you agree with me?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to suggest to you that you have to totally reinvent yourself to make up for that lost time. All right. In my experience, and brother, I've been doing this a long time. In my experience, the very best way to reinvent yourself is to completely shake up your environment. Get away from where you're used to being, the people you're used to being around, all of that stuff. I think the military is a great way to do that. You got to grow up a little bit. You got to get some focus. The military can help you do that. And the best part about it is they'll pay you while they're doing it. All right. So mom's crying because she's thinking, I don't want him to go to the military. Somebody will shoot at him. Legitimate concern. Legitimate concern, Mom. And I'm a dad, so I feel you. I'm just asking you to go talk to the recruiters. I think it's still there. There used to be a building on Ford Road in Canton where they were all at. You could talk to the Navy, walk next door and talk to the Air Force, go down the hall, talk to the Coast Guard. You could talk to them all. Just go talk to them. See what they've got to offer. If you walk out of there and nothing you heard makes your tail wag, then find another plan. But go talk to them. Because once again, I've been doing this a long time. Brother, I've dealt with you at 40, at 50, at 60, and it's you, just a different face and name. But guys that never really had a plan that they were passionate about, so they just kind of floated. And when you float, the waves just take you where the tide is going. You got to have a plan. And it's not just a plan, you got to have a solid plan, and you got to have a support system behind you. So once again, we're going to get back to business. I'm going to sentence you. I'm going to beg you, go talk to the recruiters. And if nothing there makes your tail wag and nothing there helps you formulate that plan for the next 5 years of your life, come back and see me. I love to tell people how to live. And I'm going to suggest to you that college might not be the best thing for you. And it's got nothing to do with what's up between your ears. All right. First of all, college is so damn expensive right now. If you don't know exactly what you're doing, for example, 28 years ago when I started this job, I used to tell people like you, hey, if you're not sure what you want to do with the rest of your life, go to college, take classes that interest you. You can't do that if you're going into debt to do it. It makes no sense, right? And you don't have to have a college degree to make money on the internet. Am I right? All right. So maybe what you need to do, if nothing at the military wags your tail, maybe what you need to do is just get a job somewhere where you're learning some life skills. They're paying you decent money, and you can start working this little thing on your own. Chase your passion, with the influencer stuff and the video stuff, whatever. Chase your passion, but somebody else is paying you money you can pay bills. All right. I can help you there. I'll help you find a job.
Please.
But you got to have a plan, because I'm telling you, hear my heart. You'll be in the same place you are 5 years from now, thinking, man, I had some fun, I got some memories, but man, I'm no further along now than I was when I was done with high school. The worst thing in the world is to be old like me and look in the mirror every day and hate the man you see, because you've got nothing but regrets, because you had all these things you planned on doing, but you never actually started down the road. Regrets are terrible, man. Don't live life with regrets. You live, excuse me, Mom, live balls to the wall, man. Figure out what you want to do and you just go after it. But in the meantime, this stuff happens. You got to have a plan. Enough lecture? You heard enough lecture? All right, back to business. So prosecutor asked me to delay sentence for this for 6 months. I will do that. What that means is you got to stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'm going to order that you do 4 days on our court work program and pay the restitution. I'm not going to charge any money. All right. Where's the 76 coming from? Whose money is it? All right. Merry Christmas, happy birthday. That's his Christmas present. Okay. Thank you, Mom. Okay, so pay the 76 with Mom's money, go down and schedule 4 days on the work program. That's an alternative to jail. Then all you got to do is stay out of trouble for 6 months. And I sincerely mean this. If you want some help setting some direction for your life, come back and see me. I'd love to sit down with you and just brainstorm some stuff. All right? Because I don't want to see you when you're 30. Deal?
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ron.
Have a good day, Mom. Sorry I caused tears.
Yes.
Make the explanation of the judge and,
Hold on just one second. It's been a while, but did you know fingerprint order requested in that?
I think we signed it.
Oh, did I? Oh, he already did it. Go ahead. You talked to Mr. Darman?
I spoke to him, John, he indicates his health issues, he was aware of what went on. Just to have some finality, and I urged him to get on Zoom.
I'm not gonna do it on Zoom.
No, Judge, I just wanted him to give his explanation, so we've covered all bases.
That's not gonna cover it. He's got to give me documentation, exactly what she told him 2 hours ago. He's got to provide documentation that he was hospitalized, and that's why he's not here today. Otherwise, I'm making no bench warrant for the rest. Once again, I'm determining how this courtroom runs, not
No,
Mr.
Judge, I certainly.
Yeah,
respect
and I know you do, but he doesn't respect.
Judge, you know, he's got,
And we know.
My
that,
favorite
it's
saying
why
is
he needs to be
he's
there.
got more issues than you and I and 20 other.
And he probably does. And if he wouldn't have been the guy he was last time he was here, I might be giving him more grace today. But, you know, stupid has to hurt or stupid continues.
Oh, no, I certainly.
I don't care what his life issues are, he can treat people better than he was treating people.
Right.
That's the bottom line. And, you know, I,
Well, then he's gotta work on it.
Okay. Judge, you want me to get on the record at least right now, or that, or you're just gonna?
it's all on the record. Everything I just said is on the record.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So if you wanna kind of.
And she gave him till the end of the day to get some documentation.
If he's unable to email me, I'll just, it's a difficult situation to put him on.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Everyone have a good end of the week.
That's probably him on the Motorola.
You're right, sure, let's do it. Not, of course.
Have you heard anything about what our lunch menu is today? She heard a rumor that there's some sub sandwiches. Wonder how they're gonna do that. Wonder how they're gonna do that. I'd probably just get a whole bunch of traditional, a whole bunch of. Yeah, they did, didn't they? Yeah. Nemo.
Hold on, Judge.
Did you see the new murals? At Nemo's?
What?
Murals,
No.
south and north end of the building, both. They got big, bright painted murals on the building. I haven't pulled in to actually look at what they are yet.
On the bill. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I think it's the same guy that's doing the ones uptown.
That's nice.
Just so you know, Judge, I think you dismissed these four. Let's see. Yeah, she's got $100 bonds and all that stuff.
On who?
DeVore, and she froze.
Oh, good. We can put that towards restitution. I haven't even done those files yet.
Well, you already handed them to me.
No, I've done the dismissal files, yeah.
Right, but just so that.
So there's $400 going towards restitution.
That they must.
Our guy left, the one you gave the lecture, left his fingerprint over here.
I don't think it was intentional.
Do you think he's going to the cashier or no?
Yeah, he's got to pay restitution.
Perfect, I like that. Thank you.
Jeff, I'm ready on DeVore whenever you are.
Can you give this to the judge, please? Or evidence of adjournment so I can take care of this? Yeah.
What's the name on it, Jeff?
Jeremy Anderson, Your Honor.
Anderson?
Yeah, he's got a felony and it was bound over to downtown. He missed downtown. He didn't even know he missed it. So Hadley's in there telling him how to turn himself in downtown.
Doesn't get too much on his plate.
And are we making any progress with that lady? Has a 9 count?
Yeah, we're ready. I got the plea agreement. I got the files. I'm ready.
All right, I'll bring her right.
We're gonna plead to one and dismiss all the rest.
I don't think we have. I think that's the last one.
I don't know. I got a whole box of files. I don't know.
But nobody happened.
Okay. All right.
But I'll bring this young lady right in.
All right. And it looks like 4 of the files we're dismissing have bond on them, so that'll apply towards her restitution.
But all our business taken care of today.
Thank you. Hey, Gwen, Jeff says we're out of bodies out there. Okay, thank you.
Judge, and, before you put that up there, Wayne County COSUB, KOZUB,
Yes.
She's in Wayne County and they did not,
Oh, that's the one that can
yeah, they didn't zoom in.
Code side.
Last name?
Anderson.
Okay, we're getting some.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, I have some questions.
Go.
Go ahead.
So I had a case here, right? And, I think I seen, you, but my, lawyer left off my case. He didn't tell me about none of my, not, God can tell me.
Are you the one that I just heard missed a felony court date? Right.
I have a.
So what's the question? That's not us though. I can't help you with that. That's downtown. Yeah, yeah, that's downtown. You gotta get down there and get your warrant cleared. Yeah.
Have a good day.
Good luck.
You guys need to keep releasing Mr. Ossipon. I fit the science.
Hey, Jim. Whenever you can, Mackenzie.
Yeah, no, our last one is for scheduled for 11. There's not many out there, if anything.
Cassini, yeah, or Van, yeah, we have 4 for 11.
Oh, what are they? I'll pull the files.
CASS,
What are those?
motion hearing,
They didn't get to 10 or 10:30.
Cassini?
Jidou, JIDOU. It should be.
J.I.. Yep,
And Megas, MEGIS should be in orange file.
M-E. Yep. So just those 3 orange stacks?
Yep, that's it.
Thank you.
And I'll put these out front for a little bit in case somebody shows up.
That's fine. Yep, thank you.
Have to come in under door.
Right.
Everybody on line. So how that microphone, is there any way that the microphone, the podium microphone can be better?
Oh, I don't know. What's the problem with it?
They can't hear, I can't.
It doesn't pick up.
Mine, because I can't.
Oh, have we ever told Fred that? Oh, I think that's the same issue with the camera I told him about. He's waiting for some kind of upgrade.
Oh, good.
Mm. But he's not answering, so probably is. Remind me to ask him.
We're getting subs from,
Nemo, that's what Jamie thought. What's going on?
To figure out the order, but I believe that you have the plea form on it.
I do, yeah.
Again, so I rejected it.
I already got it. Yeah, don't, I told him, I said, I got the files, I got the plea form, I'm good.
Perfect.
Yeah, so we'll just apply that to restitution. Yeah.
So,
Grab that photo, please. Whoever is on.
People versus Marcia DeVore.
Regular. Hey, Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowden, appearing on behalf of and with the mission to both of them. If you show this.
Marcia, Lynn, Nicholas.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter with formal reading stand. We've also had a chance to pre-trial this. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In this matter, Mr. Doyle would be pleading guilty to 5 counts of retail.
no, Jeff, she's
One count.
the one with Lola's store.
Then she's pleading
Yeah, that, less work for her.
count of retail fraud with the understanding any other matters would be dismissed. She understands there is restitution. This young lady walked into my office pleading guilty and realizing, she's at a stage in her life where she needed help. She has secured that. She is counseling as we speak.
Good,
But she gave no excuses,
good,
nothing other than, yes, I did this and I'm getting help from my punching.
good. All right. Ma'am, do you understand? You can move that microphone down. So that works too, because it's blocking your face. Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for retail fraud? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? On October 21, 2025, were you at a store in Van Buren Township? Myers or Walmart? And at that time, did you try to take some merchandise from the store without paying for it? Mr. Bowditch, are you satisfied? I'll accept the plea on that charge and I'll dismiss 8 other files. Other than all this stuff, any criminal history?
Years ago, 7 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Plans.
Right. Okay. When you,
No other criminal assault, batteries or anything.
when you say years ago, are you talking like 20 years? You're talking 2 years? Okay, all right. Are you working? Which one have you had the longest? How long? Where else you working? Yep. Yep. I know the Bucks. Okay. So what was going on that you needed help with?
Bill so much and I just got angry at myself. I couldn't afford things and I took them on the ship.
Okay. So what are you doing about it? Good. Good.
Now, there 3 times.
Awesome. How often are you seeing the therapist?
So make an emergency.
Good. Good.
Stay away from stores.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. My understanding is that you've agreed to the restitution amount of $1,625.14. All right. So I'm going to order that you pay that restitution. 4 of the files that I've dismissed, you had $100 bonds on. So that means on each one of those files, we keep a 10% bond fee, but $90 will go towards your restitution amount. I want you to set up some kind of a payment plan on the balance before you leave the building. In addition to that, I'm going to put you on a non-reporting 12-month probation. What that means is you stay out of trouble. New criminal offenses within the next 12 months, you're going to have to deal with that new charge, plus you're going to deal with the fact that you violated my probation, and I will put you in jail. Because we're taking care of 9 misdemeanor 93-day charges with restitution only. I'm not charging you any court costs. I'm not charging you any fines. I'm telling you, this has got to stop. You understand your sentence? Any questions about your sentence? Mr. Bowditch, did I miss anything? Okay. You can say you love me, but your love don't pay my rent. Stay out of trouble. All right? Good luck. Go downstairs and make your plans. You're welcome. Did you make a note in the computer so that money's going here?
That's 25,106.
Correct.
Your Honor,
Just like my understanding.
Yeah,
if Mr. Moore pays for restitution early, is she off probation?
definitely not.
Want to make sure that.
Because I want to make sure this behavior does not continue. But I'd love to have your money right now so we can be done with that end of it. Yeah, you don't have to come in or anything. I'm just out there lingering over your head. One has nothing to do with the other.
And adjourning it downstairs is adjourning.
Thank you. Good comments, right?
Correct, yes.
All right, so we're done for a while at least, right? Till the 11 o'clock? Remind Josh when he walks in there that he owed me a piece of paperwork.
Mr. Bowden said everyone needs to understand no final line until it's time. Okay?
There you go.
We got him, and guess what?
Alrighty.
The time was 11, it's 10:30. What are we talking about?
We're judging.
He
What
said
are
he
you
will
talking
have a piece
about?
of paper or something.
Anything about it, that's how we roll.
Don't find one until it's time.
He was the one who moved it. Crazy.
We're gonna start a law firm called Shit Through Goose.